So once you assign out labels onto different mails, then you can see the labels over here on the left side. So with the labels, you can go around and create a new label by clicking on the plus button right here and typing in anything that you want right here, just like this, and by clicking on create. You can go around over here, click on different labels as you like right here. And to manage out the labels according to how you want, you can click on the three dot button that appears besides the label right here. Once you go around and click right here, you can see that you can go around and assign a label color over here as well. Let's say, for example, depending on the label that you see right here, you can go around and assign different colors to it so that you can visually differentiate the labels that you see right here. And you can see that your inbox is much more colorful once you do this. So you can go around and right click and you can go around onto label as, and let me just go around, select example, and then what happens to that, let me just go around over here, label as example and apply, and you can see that the label is applied right here. You can go around onto the three dot button, and in the label list you can go around and show if unread over here, just like this as well. So only the unread mails will be shown out right here. For example, if I were to go around and select this right here, let me just make this mail read. I can go around over here and show if unread, then only the label will show up here if it is unread. But under the more, all the mails that are read will go out. So if I were to go around and click right here, now you can see since all of the labels under the example mail label has been read, it goes on to the more section right here. But I can go around over here and just click on show right here as well. I can also go around and hide out the label right here so that it goes under more right here. Or you can go around and show the labels once more. Once I go around over here, you can see that in the message list, I can go around and hide or show the labels over here according to how you want in the list itself. So if I were to go around and let's say hide this, you can see that the label does not actually pop up over here on the inbox. But if I were to show this, then you can see that those labels will pop up right here. So just like this, I can go around and then show and hide a particular label. So you can hide them, you can show them over here in the emails. You can also go around over here and edit out the label right here, like from TutorTube1. Let me just go around and rename it to TutorTube channel and press OK, and you can see that the label gets renamed out. You can go around over here and remove out the label just like this as well, and the label gets removed altogether along with the label assignments right there. So that is what you have right here, and those are the way that you can manage out labels inside of Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.